Hi guys, welcome back to my page, my channel, wherever you're joining me from. So today we'll be talking about gold. As you can see, gold has hit the highest price since it started trading. Surprising, right? You can see that again, and we are currently at 2284. Wow, I never thought gold was going to head to that. So look at what we have here. Initially you're going to see a chart with the indicators and everything. No, this is not an indicator. This is just me mapping out my zone. As you can see, this is a daily chart. This is me mapping out my zones from where the market will react to. Then I go down to my hourly chart to get a perfect entry. So this was the former price I had for gold as of December, but then gold was not having it as it came here, and then it created this support. So when it couldn't hit out this former price, as you can see here with the rejection, it came back down, and I was hoping that gold was going to sell, but he just rejected at this particular support. And then I was very curious about gold because I knew this is not normal, and if you treat gold very well, once there is a rejection somewhere, it hikes. And I can see the factors of this is mostly the investors. They're trying so hard. They're really holding gold, and they're doing their best in this because this was just divine. You can see how strong it went up, and then when it kicked out this former price, okay, I thought now we are going to have a drawdown. But then let me take it a little bit closer. You see this double rejection here, and it shows gold wasn't going anywhere, and then it kept up, and voila, here we are. Right now you might want to take this sell, as this is on a daily chart. This particular sell is indicating today's market. This is a sell, and if you are very conversant with your candlesticks, you will know that this is a hammer, and what comes after a hammer is a retracement. So I would advise you not to take this here right now as a sell on gold. Gold is not going to head down here any moment from now. The market is unpredictable. As I can say, I am not your financial guide, but I can only analyze and tell you where I see the markets moving in the future. And then if you want to take this sell right here, please do not hold, because gold is on a very power move to the upside. Now let's return to the daily, to the hourly chart. Sorry about that. If you're just joining this page or this channel, you can do well to comment where you are from and follow for more, so you know when I drop anything. So this is where I can actually remove this right now. I can take this out. So we're now on the 1 hour chart. The market is eventually going to retest, because this is a sign that, oh, we're going upwards, but we can't continue anymore. We need more strength from the downside before we'll continue our journey. Right, if you know your candlesticks very well. So this right here is a power move on sell, but right now, if you're going to take this sell, please exit when the market comes to this area. So let me put that back. Okay, so where we have this divine touch, and as you can see, that is a resistance to some other place. And if I am still going to draw out another support zone, right, I'll be looking at this because we haven't visited here for another support. So if you're looking to sell gold right now, please be very careful. Watch out for the market when it approaches this area. If it doesn't give you a rejection, such as this kind of rejection, like if you don't see a hammer or an evening star, it's called a morning star. This is a morning star. If you don't see this evening star indicating that price is just laying there and it's not going to break it, or if you don't see something that looks like this, which is called an hammer, or sorry, a hammer, depending on your vocabulary. I'm not here to speak English, I'm here to analyze the market. But anyway, so if you don't see the market making this rejection somewhere here, please be very careful, but close most of your trades, as the market will eventually visit here for a very cool support before heading to the upside. But if the market rejects, or sorry, if the market doesn't reject this zone and continue moving downwards, best believe that gold it's now melting and has no business on the upside. So if you can have this mapped out on your chart right now, you can do so. With that being said, I will love to know what other currencies you want me to analyze. And I personally, I trade gold a lot, so I felt it was just normal for me to come and talk about it, as it was hitting to the upside and will likely continue, and that is the first of its kind for every trader that has been trading gold. So if you have other currencies you want me to analyze, do well to comment in the comment section, and my next video will be about that. Thank you. Bye.